I'm Chris Perillo covering CES 2013 for AMD. Are you ready to see the world's geekiest fork?
Okay, so at its most basic, HAPIFork is designed to help you eat more slowly. How it does this is it tracks when you start eating, when you finish eating, your overall meal duration. More importantly is what we call the fork servings. It's how many times you're putting the fork in your mouth, and more importantly also is what the duration of each fork serving is, as well as the median duration of that fork serving throughout the meal. Currently the demo version that we have here is set at a 10-second interval, which means that I'm activating the fork now. If I touch it again within that 10 seconds, please Chris, put your finger on the...
Oh, sorry, my whole hand. Oh, it vibrated.
It vibrated.
Had a vibrating fork.
So this is what would be happening in your mouth. Basically the fork saying, hey Chris, you're eating too quickly, slow down.
I need that fork.
Okay, so when you first purchase the fork is actually not set with any time. The first thing you want to know is actually how fast am I eating and am I eating too quickly. So let's say you have this on active monitoring, so to speak, for a week, and you realize that you're currently eating at a 10-second interval. We want to get you to a 20-second interval, which would be healthier for you. So how we do this is progressively over a number of weeks and months, we get here from that 10 seconds to 11 seconds and 12 seconds, so on and so forth. So slowly reforming or changing this habit that you've had for a lifetime.
So this makes me a better eater.
It makes you a much better eater.
I'll be healthier because of a fork.
Well, you will definitely be healthier. So what happens with that is that by being able to eat over a longer period of time, a number of things happen. One is, not always, but the likelihood is that you will eat less. By eating less, the likelihood is that you will lose weight. There are other things that, in my case, for example, are associated with poor digestion, or in some instances with people, acid reflux, gastric reflux.
Oh, so you basically tailor the fork's programming to the person who's using it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So the great thing about this, and where we want to get, is to aggregate thousands of users, hopefully hundreds of thousands of users on a going forward basis, something that has just been impossible to do until now.